If CapCut is showing an unstable network error, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'll walk you through 3 simple steps to help stabilize CapCut and get you back to editing without interruptions. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, check your antivirus and firewall settings. Sometimes, your security software can mistakenly block CapCut from connecting to the internet. If that happens, CapCut may fail to load properly, sync your projects, or keep showing network errors. Open your firewall or antivirus program and look for any blocked apps, restricted connections, or permission settings. Make sure CapCut is allowed through both private and public networks if that option is available. If you're not sure where to find it, search for app permissions or allowed apps in your security settings and confirm that CapCut has internet access. Next, open CapCut and go to Settings, then Performance. Here, you'll want to turn off hardware-accelerated encoding and hardware-accelerated decoding. These features can sometimes create instability, especially if your device, drivers, or browser setup are having issues. After switching both options off, close CapCut completely and restart it. This gives the app a fresh start with the new settings applied. In many cases, this alone can reduce lag, loading problems, and network-related errors. If you're using CapCut Web in Google Chrome, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, cookies and cached files can become corrupted or outdated, which can cause websites like CapCut Web to behave strangely. To fix that, open Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cookies and cached images and files. You can keep the time range broad if the issue has been happening for a while. After clearing the cache, restart Chrome and sign back into CapCut Web. Once you've done all 3 steps, test CapCut again and see if the network issue is gone. If it still happens, try refreshing your internet connection, restarting your device, or checking whether the problem is only happening on one browser or network. But in most cases, these fixes solve the unstable network message quickly. If this video helped you fix CapCut, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and comment below if you want help with another CapCut issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.